And they have knives and they have guns and they have Smith and Wesson guns and they'll kill you. They're not afraid to kill you and murder you. Oh please, I've been around. I'm a big doctor.